Hello and welcome to the 411 on how to make money online. In this video, we'll talk about digital real estate, which is made up of valuable things that you can find online, like real estate in the real world. These assets can be websites, domain names, social media accounts, or anything else online that can bring in money. Investing in digital real estate can be a good way for middle-aged workers to make passive income while also diversifying their portfolio and planning for their financial future. Here are several steps you can take to invest in digital real estate. Number 1, get to know digital real estate. Digital real estate includes all the different websites where you can own or make material that makes money. Not only websites, but also mobile apps and even digital places in virtual reality worlds may be affected. Like with real estate, it's important to understand how these assets gain value over time to make smart investment choices. Number 2, education and research. Spending time learning about digital trends, how people behave online, and the newest technological advances can give you an edge over your competitors. There are online courses that are designed to help you deal in digital real estate. Join online business forums, take part in webinars, and read the posts of successful digital real estate investors to learn from their mistakes. Number 3, set investment goals. Think about how much risk you are willing to take, how long you have to spend, and how much time you have to manage your digital assets. It is important to make sure that your digital investments fit in with your total budget. Making goals that are clear, measured, and attainable can help you stay on track and avoid common mistakes. Number 4, picking the right digital asset. If you're good at making content, you might want to buy a blog or a YouTube channel. If you are good with computers, you might make more money by making an app or a niche website. Assessing the market is important to know how much demand there is for each type of digital product and how much money you can make from investing in them. Number 5, do your research. Look at the assets you're interested in, past sales data, and traffic trends. It is also important to look at websites or platforms' reputations, the quality of the material, and how engaged the users are. Also think about the legal side, such as problems with copyright and trademarks. Before we move on to the next subject, I'd like to take a moment to say that I am recommending a course by Matt Parr called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. If you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money with it, this is a great course for you. It also shows you how to run your own channel, even if it's a faceless channel like the one I'm using right now. You don't have to make videos to be successful on YouTube's platform. For those that may be interested, I've put some information in the description below this video. You can check it out for free. Okay, back to going here. Number 6, making the purchase. To make sure the deal is safe, use escrow services when you buy a website. Based on what you've learned from your research, negotiate the price. Make sure you have full control over all accounts and assets related to the buy after you make it. Improving the asset. If you don't know much about something like, say, web designing or SEO, you might want to hire someone who does. New material and regular updates can bring in more visitors and raise the value of the asset. Talk to your customers or viewers to find out what they want and how you can make the user experience better. Number 8, making money off of the asset. Try out different ways to make money off your asset to see which one works best. Keep up with changes in digital marketing and make changes to your plans as needed. Keep a close eye on all of your income lines to find the ones that make you the most money. I hope this video provides you with value and inspiration. If so, please click the thumbs up icon for the algorithm. Don't forget to press the subscribe button and notification bell for more valuable content. Okay, number 9, updating and maintaining. Keep up with search engine changes to their algorithms and best practices for SEO. Make connections with people who own digital assets to share ideas and plans. You should be ready to put some of your profits back into the assets to help them grow. Number 10, exit strategy. Check the market value for your product often to know when it's time to sell. Watch how the market moves and be ready to change your exit plan if necessary. Having a strong name and keeping customers coming back can make your assets worth a lot more when you decide to sell it. By following these steps, middle-aged workers can effectively invest in digital real estate to generate passive income and secure their financial future. It is important to remember that, like any investment, there are risks involved, and it requires time and effort to learn and manage these assets effectively. Feel free to look over some other videos that I have on here. I believe I have about 24 videos up now.